In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Glassdoor Research, Insights and Data 2026. If you're interested in labor market trends, salary insights, workplace satisfaction, or data-backed reports that help you make smarter career and business decisions, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to find Glassdoor's Research Hub. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. You don't need an account for this, so if you see prompts to sign in or create one, you can safely ignore them for now. We're just going to access a public part of the site. Once the home page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer. You can do this with your mouse or trackpad, or tap the End key on your keyboard to jump there quickly. The footer is the section that contains site-wide links and resources, and it's a reliable place to find official pages that are sometimes easy to miss from the main navigation. In the footer, you'll notice several columns of links that make up the site's navigation. Look for the column related to Glassdoor's own resources. This area typically groups together important company pages and research-oriented links so you can get to high-value information without digging through multiple menus. Within that Glassdoor section, click the link labeled Research. It's usually named Research or Glassdoor Research, and it's the direct doorway to their insights, reports, and data stories. This is the same link the editorial and economics teams reference when they publish updates or deep dives into timely job market topics. After you click, you'll be taken to the Glassdoor Research page, often opening in a new tab. Here's where the good stuff lives. You'll see recent publications, trend analyses, and data-driven articles that explain what's happening in hiring, pay, and workplace sentiment. Use the page's built-in categories and filters to zero in on what matters to you, whether that's industry snapshots, geography-specific insights, or broader labor market themes. If a search bar is available, try entering a role, sector, or topic to surface relevant studies. Most articles provide charts, context, and plain language takeaways, and many link back to methodology notes so you can understand how the findings were calculated. If you're scanning for the latest 2026 insights, sort by the most recent posts to get up-to-date coverage. That's all there is to it. Go to glassdoor.com, skip logging in, scroll to the footer, find the navigation area, click Research, and explore the dedicated Research tab. Bookmark the page for easy access and consider checking back regularly as new analyses are published.